Hello, my CNC brother or sister. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, of course, your CNC router bit supply company. And I'm gathered with the IDC Woodcraft team to wish you and your loved ones a Merry CNC Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy your holidays, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, she's still working on that one.
Yeah, I'm
There we go. Okay, recording. So I'll just say my thing and everybody can say Merry Christmas. Okay, so, well, my CNC brothers and, well, hello, my CNC brother or sister. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, of course, your CNC router bit supply company. And me and the IDC Woodcraft team would like to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, everybody! That didn't work because, come on, guys! So, I just poked my eyes out.
I couldn't tell, like, right quite when you should stop.
All right, we'll do it again.
Yeah. Okay.
So, when I say so, it's Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay.
Hello, my CNC brother or sister. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, of course, and gathering with the IDC Woodcraft team to wish you and your family a very safe and Merry Christmas. So, from all of us to you, Merry Christmas!
Everybody. Cool. We didn't say everybody.
Yeah.
Because you said everybody last time. Okay. From the top, please.
We'll just leave it in there. That's the kind. Okay, 3,
Okay, hold
2.
on, I lost my antlers here. Wait a minute.
We're going to say Merry Christmas.
Hello, my CNC brother or sister. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, of course, gathered with the IDC Woodcraft team to wish you and your family a very safe Christmas. So from all of us to you and your family, Merry Christmas, everybody. God damn. Merry CNC Christmas. All right, let's do a rehearsal.
Merry
This is good. Merry Christmas. IDCwoodcraft.com